Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, today we are in level number 2, unit 2, lesson number 7, which is all about talking about your feelings. How do you feel? Which could easily be changed to how someone else would feel. But today we're focusing on how you feel. How do you feel right now? Now, if you think you know the answer, send me a message, let me know. But let's learn some easy ways that we can discuss and tell others how we're feeling in the moment. Okay? So now let's take a look at our first sentence, which is I am feeling excited today. I am feeling excited today. And I am. How do we blend this? Well, I am becomes I'm, I'm. So we close our mouth for that M, which makes it easy to connect to the F. I'm feeling, I'm feeling, I'm feeling, I'm feeling excited, feeling. The ing is going to connect to the e. Ingexi, feeling excited. I'm feeling excited. Ooh, see it all smoothed out like butter. I'm feeling excited when? Today. I'm feeling excited today. I'm feeling excited. It's all up here, right? In your nose. I'm feeling excited today. Repeat after me. I'm feeling excited today. Hmm. How do you feel? Oh, I'm feeling excited today. And then maybe they'd say, why, right? Why are you feeling excited? But that's something else we can explain later. So I'm feeling excited today. I'm feeling terrible today. I'm feeling terrible today. Same sentence, just new word. I'm feeling terrible. I'm feeling terrible today. We don't even need the today. We could throw away that. I'm feeling terrible. Why would be the next question, right? I'm feeling hungry. Right? I'm feeling hungry. Let's take a look at our second sentence, which is someone else. She's a little bit nervous, right? I ask you, well, what's wrong with her? What's wrong? Or him. What's wrong with her or him? And you say he or she's feeling a little bit nervous. Now, how do we smooth this out? So you can tell someone else how someone you know is feeling. She's she's a li- she's a little, right? It all connects. She's a little, she's a little bit, little, and we close our mouth, okay? She's a bit, little bit, little bit. Just go real fast. She's a little bit nervous. She's a little bit what? Nervous. She's a little bit nervous. See, we just connect it. Little bit. Little, no T, right? Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. She's a little bit nervous. Ooh, repeat after me. She's a little bit nervous. She's a little bit nervous. What's wrong with her? Oh, she's a little bit nervous. Don't worry, it's okay. She's just a little bit nervous. So we can add in these little details, these little small sentence pieces. Oh, don't worry. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. She's a little bit nervous. Totally up to you. We could swap it out. He's a little bit nervous. Or maybe it's real bad, right? He's really nervous. He's really nervous. Not a little bit. He's really nervous. Uh-oh, right? He's worried. He's a little bit worried. He's a little bit excited, right? What's wrong with him, right? Oh, he's just a little bit excited. That's okay. He's a little bit excited. Nothing's wrong. He's a little bit excited. Let's move on to our third sentence, which is he's really happy today. He's really happy today. Just like our first sentence, right? We added in the when. He's a little bit happy today. We could change that to fit anything. But let's blend this out. He's Oh, sorry. He's really We don't stop any of that vibrational sound, right? He's really happy today. He's really happy today. He's really happy. He's really happy this afternoon. We could change the time, right? So repeat after me. He's really happy today. He's really happy today. Hmm. What's wrong with him? Oh, he's really happy today. He's really happy this afternoon. He's really happy this morning, right? Maybe your kid woke up, he or she woke up and they're in a good mood, right? And you're like, hey, you ask your wife or your husband, what's wrong? Oh, he's in a really good mood this morning. Or she's in a really good mood this morning. Don't know why. Not going to ask it. Not going to ruin it. Just be happy they're in a good mood, right? So let's take a look at our fourth sentence, which is, I'm feeling a bit tired, which is me every single day, as you can tell by the bags under my eyes, right? Mm. It's okay. It's okay. I'm feeling a bit tired. Let's smooth this out like butter, right? I'm feeling, just like before. I'm feeling a bit. I'm feeling a bit. Here it is. I'm feeling a bit, what? I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling a bit tired. Well, you could change that to anything, right? I'm feeling a bit hungry. Mm. I'm feeling a bit sleepy. I'm feeling a bit angry. I'm feeling a bit hungry. I'm hungry. I'm feeling a bit annoyed. I'm feeling a bit something, right? A little bit, not a lot. I'm not super hungry, but noticeable. Just joking. So let's smooth this all out. Repeat after me. Ready? I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling a bit tired. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling a bit sleepy. Now, if I say the word sleepy, even though it's a negative word, it's kind of a cute way to say it, right? So we're not going to have a sleepy. We're not going to have a sad tone. We're just going to have like a kind of a fun tone. Now I'm feeling a bit sleepy. Neutral, but a little up. Because it's a cute word, right? I'm feeling a bit tired. It's kind of coming down. Neutral, but coming down a touch. I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm feeling a bit sleepy. This is cute, right? Or hungry. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Or, because if it was negative, it would be not a bit, it would be a lot, right? I'm feeling really hungry, right? I feel terrible. These are super bad. These are strong feelings. These are strong emotions. Sleepy, tired. I'm feeling a bit uncomfortable. It's not really a strong feeling, right? It's a little bit. So we want to just be a little bit above neutral or a little bit below neutral. Nothing crazy, right? Okie dokie. Let's go on to our fifth sentence, which is, she's very upset about the news. Kind of a negative thing, right? This isn't a great thing here. She's very upset. So it's kind of serious, right? We're not going to have this like, you know, little up, little down. This is very. She's very upset. She's very upset. My tone has a lot more vibration to it, right? She's very upset. She's very upset. Why? Right? She's very upset about, the, right? We're bringing our tongue up for that set and turning that T into the, a D. Set of said about, the about. She's very upset about. She's very upset about what? The news, right? She's very upset about the news, which we could change to anything else. She's very upset about the weather. Maybe we were going to the beach, but it's raining. Unhappy. Very, very unhappy. She's very upset about the weather. She's very upset about the news. Terrible news. Tariffs. All right. That's a joke. That's funny. Okay. So repeat after me. I don't know why it looks like it's blurry right here in the middle. You know, I feel cloudy. Why am I cloudy? I wonder if it's hot in here. I'm very upset about the cloudy. I know my lens is clean. You know what? Let me see if I can find out what that is. Just a second. I found it. My lens was foggy on the inside of the camera. Ooh. Okay, so very upset about that. Okay, so repeat after me. She's very upset about. She's very upset about the news. Mm, tone down. Tone down a little bit slow. She's very upset about the news. About the news. Mm, she's very upset about the news. It's terrible. It's terrible news. It's bad news. She's upset. She's crying. You know, she can't eat. She's not hungry. She's very upset. Or me. He's very upset about the camera. I don't know why. It's very humid here where I live in China. It's very hot and humid. So maybe my camera just kind of sucked up some moisture, which makes me very upset. I need to buy a dry box, I guess, to keep this thing nice and dry so it doesn't get wet. And wet's bad. Okay. He's very upset about the humidity. Now, we could change that to anything. He's very happy, right? It doesn't have to be a negative. She's very happy about the news. She got into college. Yay. She's very upset. No, happy. She's very happy about the news. She's very excited about the news. You could just change these words to fit any situation. And that's what I want. I want you to learn these patterns so that you can just pick out a word and put a new word in. Same sentence, new meaning. Yeah. That's how you learn language the smart way, right? Let's look at our sixth sentence, which is he feels relaxed after the vacation. I I'm jealous. I'm honestly I feel jealous because when I get finished with my vacation, I'm more stressed because I have to come back to work. Like, I wish. Okay, anyways, let's smooth this out. Ready? He fe he feels relax. He feels See the S and the R, they connect. He feels relaxed. He feels relaxed after. Relaxed after. They connect it, blend it together. He feels relaxed after what? The vacation. The vacation. He feels relaxed after the vacation. He feels relaxed after the vacation. Cool, nice and easy, right? Repeat after me. He feels relaxed after the vacation. He feels relaxed after the vacation. She feels relaxed after the vacation. She feels relaxed after the meeting. Maybe it was a great meeting and now the pressure is off. Oh, right? I feel relaxed after the meeting. I feel relaxed after the vacation. I never do. But, maybe you do. So you can say I. I can't. But anyways, we could change it to anything. I feel sleepy after the run. Right? I feel hungry after the trip. I feel angry after the bad experience. Okay? We could change these things so simply, right? So when someone says, "How do you feel?" "Oh, I feel great today. I feel happy today." You know? Or "How are you feeling?" "Oh, I'm feeling great today. I'm feeling happy today. Everything's good." Right? "How do you feel after your vacation?" I feel relaxed after the vacation." "What's wrong with her?" "Oh, she feels a little bit nervous." Don't worry. Everything's okay. All right? 괜찮아요. 매관치. It's all okay. Right? So telling how someone feels doesn't have to be too hard because what comes next matters more, right? Okay, she feels tired. Why? Because of this. Now we explain the cause. So that is something different that we'll learn more later about. But don't be alarmed. Don't be worried about explaining someone's feelings or your feelings because that stuff's really easy. It's the next thing, right? I feel hungry. Why? I didn't have breakfast today. That's the longer sentence. The explanation for the feeling is the harder stuff, but it's not really that hard because you're smart. Now, I will see you for the next lesson, which is lesson number 8. I don't know the finger thing for 8, but it's about giving advice. Giving advice. I always give advice. I think giving advice is one of the things that makes us human, makes us good people, right? Giving advice and letting others figure out their problems with a little bit of help. Now, I'd like to give you some advice and see me for the next lesson so I can help you with your fluency. And if you have any questions, telling how someone feels, let me know. Send me a message, leave me a comment under this video or something, and I'll try and help you out if you have any problems. Now, if you have any good ideas for a new lesson that fits a specific situation, tell me about it. I am always willing to help my students if they have a very good idea that I think can help a lot of people. So if you've got a great idea, let me know, and I'll see if I can make the lesson for you. But until the next lesson, I'll see you later, okay? Goodbye.